issued a flash flood emergency for northern Clay County, Duval County, until 9:45 p.m. at 6:39 p.m. Emergency management reported flooding from a thunderstorm near Riverside, or near downtown Jacksonville, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to downtown Jacksonville, Bay Yard, Jacksonville International Airport, Arlington, the University of North Florida, Ocean Way, Fort Caroline, San Pablo, Jacksonville Beach, Neptune Beach, Mayport, Little Talbot Island and Talbot Island. This also includes homes in the Oakleaf Plantation area and goes near Dockers Inland. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 5 inches are possible in the warned area. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Report flooding to the nearest law enforcement agency or your county emergency management, or you can also call the National Weather Service in Jacksonville directly at 800-499-1594 to report flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Florida, Clay and Duval. This is a flash flood warning.